everyone, and welcome to one of the first videos of 2018. If it is your first time here in the channel, do not forget to subscribe. I'll be uploading a ton of videos for this year, 2018. So the video that I'm gonna show you today, it's for your room decor. I don't know if you see here, this is my bed, and behind my bed there's a blank wall. So I've been looking for something for that wall for a long time, and I've been on Pinterest looking at signs because I want a sign that says something. I thought it was a great idea. I'm gonna go ahead and make it for my house, so I wanted to show you how to make it. And also these signs go for a little lot on internet. I think the one that I like, it's like $125 per sign. So I think it's a great idea if you want to make it for your own room, if you want to give it to someone, if it is a new married couple or friends. Hope you enjoy what I'm gonna make today. Thank you to everyone that has just subscribed to the channel and took us past the 1,000 subscribers. I have a goal for this year, and one of my goals is to take this channel and grow this. That's gonna bring me happiness because this is what I love. This is what that's gonna take me, I don't know, it's gonna make me happy because I'm the happiest. I'm relaxed. It's a method of relaxation for me. So I'm glad that you are all here watching this video, and I thank you so much. And let's see, that's it. Shut up, Adriana, and go to the video.
Why?